Wallet Update. You may receive the update dialog box automatically upon launching the wallet, or by manually check for the update under the Help drop-down menu. Click Update, and it will bring you the latest version at GitHub. Select and download the wallet for your machine, and then launch it. On some machines, you may encounter Windows security warning. Click More Info and then click Run Anyway. After selecting the destination, click Next to install. Congratulations! Now you have successfully installed the latest wallet update. Click Finish to run the wallet. Notice the improvement compared to the old version? There is a useful information on MRX balance, showing the coin status.